In the vibrant world of gemstones, one family stands apart, not for their color, but for their darkness. These are the black gemstones, subtle and mysterious, holding the quiet allure of the night sky and the deep sea. Their beauty is not obvious, but for those who look closer, they reveal a universe of depth and elegance. Their darkness is not emptiness, but a presence, rich with power and history. To hold a black gemstone is to hold a piece of the night itself, a tangible echo of infinite space. For millennia, humanity has been drawn to these dark treasures, seeing reflections and secrets in their polished surfaces. They challenge our ideas of beauty, proving that elegance can be found in the most unexpected palettes. Black gemstones don't sparkle. They absorb light, creating a sense of infinite depth. This gives them a modern, sophisticated feel, yet they are among the oldest materials cherished by humankind. As we journey through their stories, we'll discover that black is not a single identity, but a spectrum, each stone with its own tale. From cosmic black diamonds to volcanic obsidian, these gems are chronicles of our planet's most powerful forces. The story of black gemstones is as ancient as civilization itself. Early humans shaped obsidian into tools and weapons, drawn to its sharpness and mystical blackness. Obsidian mirrors found from Anatolia to the Americas were believed to be portals to the spirit world. In ancient Egypt, black symbolized life and rebirth. Onyx was carved into amulets and worn for strength and protection. The Romans prized onyx for cameos and intaglios, using its layers to create images of gods and heroes. Soldiers carried onyx amulets for courage in battle, believing in its protective power. In Victorian Britain, jet became the gemstone of mourning, its deep blackness a symbol of remembrance and enduring love. Queen Victoria's preference for jet set a trend, making it the stone of choice for expressing grief with elegance. Black gemstones have always been more than adornment. They are symbols of power, memory, and transformation. Across cultures and eras, their allure endures, connecting us to the mysteries of life and death. Their legacy is carved in shadow, a testament to humanity's fascination with the dark and the unknown. What gives a gemstone its captivating blackness? The answer lies in its atomic structure and chemistry. Unlike colored gems, black stones absorb nearly all visible light, thanks to dense concentrations of certain elements or microscopic inclusions. Black tourmaline, for example, owes its darkness to iron packed within its crystal lattice. Onyx's blackness comes from carbon or iron oxide inclusions, soaking up light and leaving only darkness. Black diamonds, or carbonado, are made of millions of tiny crystals with inclusions of graphite and hematite trapping light within. True black gemstones remain opaque, refusing to yield to even the brightest light. This unwavering darkness sets them apart from simply dark-colored stones. They are silent guardians of the light they hold, never to be released. Their unique character lies in this mastery of absorption, a beauty found in the depths of shadow. Black gemstones are a diverse family, each with its own story and origin. Onyx, with its deep uniform black, has been a favorite for carving and jewelry for centuries. Its polished surface offers a soft reflection, symbolizing strength and quiet confidence. Obsidian, born from volcanic fire, is a natural glass with a high gloss sheen and razor-sharp edges. When polished, it becomes a perfect black mirror, reflecting the explosive energy of its birth. Jet, unlike the others, is fossilized wood, lightweight, warm and easily carved. Its velvety blackness and organic origin make it unique among gems. Each stone, onyx, obsidian, jet, shows a different path to darkness, shaped by nature's varied forces. To know them is to appreciate the many ways the earth creates beauty from shadow. Among gemstones, black diamonds, carbonado, are the most mysterious. Unlike clear diamonds, they don't sparkle. Their surfaces shine with a metallic luster from millions of interlocking crystals. Their origins are cosmic. Found only in Brazil and Central Africa, they may have arrived on Earth via a diamond-rich asteroid. Their polycrystalline structure makes them tougher than regular diamonds, but also harder to cut and polish. Once used only for industrial tools, black diamonds are now prized for their bold, unconventional beauty. To wear one is to wear a fragment of a cosmic event, a piece of a star that fell to Earth. Their journey from tool to treasure reflects our evolving appreciation for the extraordinary. While black diamonds may be cosmic, other black gems are born from the Earth's own drama. Obsidian forms when volcanic lava cools rapidly, creating a glassy texture and razor-sharp edges. Onyx, a variety of chalcedony, forms slowly in volcanic rock cavities, often enhanced by dyeing for a deep uniform black. Jet is fossilized wood from ancient forests, transformed over millions of years by pressure and time. Each stone tells a story: obsidian of sudden change, onyx of patient layering, jet of ancient life. Their origins, fire, water, time, shape their unique forms of darkness. To appreciate them is to witness the Earth's power to create beauty from transformation. These stones are more than adornment. They are records of our planet's history. In every piece we hold a fragment of Earth's most dramatic moments. Black gemstones are found in unique corners of the world, each location shaping their character. Whitby, England, is famed for jet, eroded from Jurassic cliffs and prized for its polish and purity. Obsidian is found in volcanic regions like Mexico, the US, and Japan, where ancient cultures valued it for tools and mirrors. Onyx forms in volcanic rock cavities worldwide, with major deposits in Brazil, Uruguay, and India. Because pure black onyx is rare, much is dyed to achieve its signature look. Each source tells a story of geological history and human discovery. The search for these gems is a journey through the Earth's most dramatic landscapes. Black gemstones carry a rich tapestry of meaning, protection, power, mourning, and mystery. They are seen as shields against negativity, absorbing and neutralizing harmful energy. Soldiers, travelers, and seekers have worn them as amulets for courage and safety. In Western cultures, black gems like jet became symbols of mourning and enduring love. Spiritually, they are linked to grounding and self-control, helping us face our inner shadows. Their symbolism is dual, both a guardian and a reminder of life's mysteries. To wear a black stone is to embrace both strength and introspection. In a world of color, black gemstones make a quiet, powerful statement. Their beauty is deep and self-assured, like a starless night or the solid earth. They challenge our ideas of value, showing that depth and history can be as precious as brilliance. Each black gem, diamond, obsidian, jet, onyx, carries a unique story of creation. Their variety ensures a match for every taste, from bold to classic. Black gemstones are timeless, their appeal enduring through changing fashions. They invite us to look beyond the surface into mysterious depths. To hold one is to hold a piece of history, a symbol of protection and introspection. They remind us that beauty thrives in the shadows, and the most captivating stories are whispered in the dark. The night's jewels will forever enchant and mystify us.